Hey team, so today we have a shortened schedule. You just have morning meeting and catch up. So what that looks like for today is first of all, you're going to go down here, log onto your Flipgrid. It's going to ask you about your favorite ice cream. Please, 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 all of you do it. Okay. Then you know what you have for missing work. I did not put together any slides. One of the biggest things I need you to make sure you're working on is your how-tos because come Thursday and Friday, you're going to be videotaping it so it can go on the fourth grade Padlet and you'll be able to see everybody's how-tos, which is going to be super fun. Then another super important thing, go ahead and watch the news. There's some fun things that Mrs. Wabama has planned. And then I need you to go ahead and click on this link and it's going to take you to a survey for computer science. And they really need you to do that because remember, we have a partnership with the University of Minnesota. So if you want this all read to you, you can, or you can just go ahead and read it yourself. Then go ahead and click this little red arrow and it's going to take you into the survey. Now, one thing that you're going to need is you're going to have to go through, pick your teacher's name. So just go right here and pick Steffes. And then as you go down, you can have each of these things read to you, but put in your lunch pin, your lunch number. If you don't know this, have your parents go on the hub and they can find it. If your parents are busy working and you need your lunch number, you can't remember it, go ahead and ask me and I will look it up on the hub for you. And then have you ever coded before? It'll all be read to you. And then go ahead, select the word that matches these definitions. These are all words you've learned, like computer science, loop, computer, paired programming, and algorithm. But all of these, if you push the red button, will read it for you. So you're just going to go straight through and answer all of these questions. It's really important, team, because they're trying to find out how you feel about computer science. And this is really important that you fill out that survey form. It will not take very long. After that, then I want you to go over and do your specialist activities over on Seesaw. If you didn't have a chance to do your exponent one from yesterday, please make sure you do that one as well. And then we're asking you to start packing up some things that you're going to return to Poplar Bridge when you come and visit me next week on Wednesday, on June 3rd. I will be at school from 1 to 4, and we'll talk more about that. But this is your chance to bring back any Media Center books, any versatiles, any hands-on equations, or any classroom books. Because we want to make sure that we can kind of get those all back so that I will have them for my fourth graders and you'll be ready for fifth grade so that fifth grade gets all their materials back, etc. So you'll be ready for next year. If there's something that you wanted to hang on to, some of your parents have emailed me if you needed to hang on to hands-on equations or something to finish. That's great. You can always return them to me in the fall. But if you're done using them, it's just easier and they don't get lost as frequently if you return them if you're not going to use them. Okay? Especially those Media Center books, classroom books, hands-on equations, or fraction stuff, or versatiles. So anything that you have that you don't need, and then we'll give you everything out of your desk. Here's some really cool summer reading ideas from Mrs. Wabama. When you click on this, it's going to open up this really cool thing that she made that's all interactive. So it's a Google slide. If you click on the 3, 4, or the 5, I guess for you, most of you would want to be reading maybe out of the fifth grade level books because you're going into fifth grade next year. So this is all the new Mod Heart Lovelaces for next year. Ashley wants to show you her new dragon. She got a little dragon at the store. Okay. Anyway, these are all some really great books that you can choose to read. And Mrs. Wabama has been kind enough to compile all those. And then, so you can go to 3, 4, or 5 and get different ideas. And she's listed them all there. She used to give these out to you, but luckily she's made them even though you won't be able to have a hard copy. The next thing I want to show you is that all of these are read alouds. Everything from how to read a book over here. If you click on any of these books, it's Mrs. Wabama reading them to you, and they're so, so good. The only one that I can see that I read to you, I think we read Hot Day, and we also read Up North at the Cabin. But some of these other books are brand new for you that maybe you have not read yet, and they're fantastic. So do that for Mrs. Wabama. And then if we go back to our distance learning, if you have not yet put your wax museum up and you'd like to, you can. Also, the PB virtual slideshow ends on May 31st. So if you want to add your contribution to that, you just go ahead and click here to get to the Padlet, or here, and it will take you to where you can upload your talent. This is also just some fun projects and field trips and things. This would take you on the boat like what we did. It's a really cool online website that takes you to lots of games and more learning. And this is one that Mrs. Ice helped create about the Mississippi River as well. All of these are really great resources. I'm going to put them together also for a summer slideshow that you would have access to. If you don't have time now, all of these will be on there, so you'll be able to watch them later as well. So again, start packing things up. Don't forget to go to Seesaw and take care of your specialist activities. They miss you and want to hear from you as well. And most importantly, make sure you're also doing this survey for the U of M. It's really important that you do that. All right, thanks a lot, team. Have a great day. Can't wait to see you on the flip.